Hello students, we are doing chapter number 12, linear equations and inequalities in one variable, exercise 12.3. In last video we did till question number 5 and now we will start from question number 6. Solve the following inequations. First part, 4x plus 1 less than 17 and replacement set is given here, x belongs to natural number. So first we will simplify this inequation. This one we can shift another side, it will become 4x less than 17 minus 1 or 4x less than 16. Now this 4 also we can shift another side, so we will get x less than 16 by 4. 16 by 4 means 4, so x is less than 4. Now we will write the solution set. So we have to take numbers less than 4 from natural numbers because replacement set is given here natural number. So natural number will start from 1, then we have to take 1, 2 and 3. Less than 4 means we will not consider 4. Second part, same question, but here in place of less than equal to is there and replacement set is given whole number. So first we will simplify it. 4x less than equal to 17 minus 1, 4x less than equal to 16 and x less than equal to 16 by 4, x less than equal to 4. Here less than equal to is there, it means 4 also we have to consider. So solution set and replacement set is given whole number. Whole number we start from 0. So we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will take 4 also because equal to symbol is there. Next third part, 4 greater than 3x minus 11. So first we will simplify this inequation. This 3x I can shift this side, it will become minus 3x. Minus 11 is as it is and this 4 when I will shift another side it will become minus 4. So I have minus 3x greater than minus 15 or minus x greater than minus 15 by 3. 3 is here in multiplication, after shifting it will go for division. So we have minus x greater than minus 5. At this step you should be very careful. When this minus we will cancel out, we have to reverse this between symbol. So it will become x less than 5. X less than 5 and replacement set is natural number. We have to take natural number which are less than 5. So natural number start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to take less than 5 means till 4 only we will take. Now fourth part, minus 17 less than equal to 9x minus 8. First we will simplify 9x, we will shift left side, it will become minus 9x. Minus 8 is as it is and this minus 17 after shifting it will become plus 17. So we will get here minus 9x less than equal to 9 or minus x less than equal to 9 by 9 means 1. Minus x less than equal to 1. We should not keep minus with x, we have to shift another side, and when we will shift this minus, in that case also we have to reverse this symbol. So x is greater than equal to minus 1 and here replacement set is given z. Z means integer. So integer we have to take which are greater than equal to minus 1. Because equal to symbol also is there, so we will start from minus 1, then 0, 1, 2 and integers will go up to infinity. Next question number 7, solve the following inequation. First part, 2y minus 1 divided by 5 less than equal to 2 and y is here natural number. So first we will simplify this 5, we can shift another side, so it will become 2y minus 1 less than equal to 2 into 5. 2y minus 1 less than equal to 10 and 2y less than equal to 10 plus 1 it will become 11. 2y less than equal to 11 or y is less than equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2 means 5.5. So y less than equal to 5.5. Now we have to write the solution set, and replacement set is given here natural number. So we have to take natural number which are less than equal to 5.5. So natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And because natural number only we have to take, so 5.5 we will not take because it is a decimal number. So till 5 only we have to take number here. Next second part, 2y plus 1 by 3 plus 1 less than equal to 3, and replacement set is given whole number. So first we will simplify this. 2y plus 1 by 3, this plus 1 we can shift another side, it will become minus 1. So 2y plus 1 by 3 less than equal to 2. Now this 3 also we can shift another side. So 2y plus 1 less than equal to 2 into 3 will get 6. Now this 1 also we can shift, it will become 2y less than equal to 6 minus 1, 2y less than equal to 5, or y less than equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. So y less than equal to 2.5. We have to take whole number which are less than 2.5. So whole number start from 0. We'll take 0, 1, 2, and 2.5 is decimal number, so we will not take 2.5, we'll take till 2 only. Next, third part of question number 7, 2 by 3p plus 5 less than 9, and p belongs to here whole numbers. So first we will simplify. 5 we will shift another side, it will become 2 by 3p less than 9 minus 5, or 2 by 3p less than 4. This 3 also we can shift another side, so 2p less than 4 into 3, 2p less than 12, or we can write p less than 12 by 2 means p less than 6. Now whole number we have to take which are less than 6 because replacement set is given whole number. So our solution set is here. Whole number start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Less than 6 means till 5 we will take. Next fourth part, 2p plus 3 minus 2p plus 3 greater than 5. So first this minus 2 we can shift that side, or we can remove the bracket. So if we are removing the bracket, then we will get minus 2p minus 6 greater than 5. Now this minus 6 shift another side, greater than 5 plus 6. So minus 2p greater than 11 minus p greater than 11 by 2 minus p greater than 5.5. Now at last this minus symbol, when we will shift another side, so this middle symbol we have to reverse, it will become minus 5.5. So p means integer, here we have to take integer, I is given, p belongs to I, integer which are less than 5.5. So solution set will be integer we have to take less than 5.5 means we have to start from minus 6, then minus 7, minus 8, and it will go up to infinity. So minus 6 to up to infinity in negative direction. Next question number 8, the first part, solve the following inequations. 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2, and replacement set is natural number. So first we will simplify this. This x we can shift this side, it will become minus x, and this 3 minus 3 we can shift another side, it will become plus 3. So 2x minus x is x less than 5. So solution set will be, from natural number we have to take less than 5. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second part, 3 minus x less than equal to 5 minus 3x, and replacement set is given whole number. So first simplify this minus x as it is. This minus 3x will shift here, it will become plus 3x. 5 as it is, and this plus 3 when we will shift it will become minus 3. So here we will get 2x less than equal to 2, or x less than equal to 2 by 2 means 1, x less than equal to 1. So we have to take whole number which are less than equal to 1. Equal to 1 means we have to consider 1 also, and whole number start from 0, so we will take 0 and 1. Third part, 3x minus 2 less than 2x minus 1, x belongs to whole number. So first we will simplify, remove this bracket. 3x minus 6 less than 2x minus 2. Now this 2x shift this side and 6 shift another side. So we'll get x less than, this is 6, sorry, 6 less than 4, x less than 4. So less than 4 whole numbers we have to take from here. So solution set will be, whole number start from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Fourth part of question number 8, 3 by 2 minus x by 2 greater than minus 1, and x belongs to natural number. So 3 by 2 minus x by 2. Same denominator is there, we can write it as 3 minus x by 2 greater than minus 1. Now this 2 we can shift another side. 3 minus x greater than minus 1 into 2, or 3 minus x greater than minus 2. This 3 also shift another side, so minus x greater than minus 2 minus 3. Minus x greater than minus 5. Now if we cancel minus to minus, we have to reverse this symbol. So we'll get x less than 5. Natural numbers which are less than 5. So solution set will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next question number 9. If the replacement set is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, solve the inequation 3x minus 1 by 2 less than 2 and also represent its solution on number line. So first we will solve it. We have 3x minus 1 by 2 less than 2. So this 2 we can shift another side. We will get 3x minus 1 less than 2 into 2, or 3x minus 1 less than 4. This minus 1 also we can shift another side. So we will get 3x less than 4 plus 1, or 3x less than 5. 3 also shift another side, 5 by 3, or x less than 1 whole number 2 by 3. It means we have to take numbers from this replacement set which are less than 1 whole number 2 by 3. So 1 whole number 2 by 3 will be between 1 and 2. Somewhere here it will be there. So less number only we have to take, smaller number, it means left side only number we will take, left side number. So solution set will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Till 1 we will take. Now these number we have to represent on number line. So first draw one line. Mark equal distance with the help of a scale. Then mark points here, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and represent only these number which are in solution set. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. Next question number 10. Solve x by 3 plus 1 by 4 less than x by 6 plus 1 by 2, and x belongs to whole number. Also represent its solution on number line. So first we will solve this inequation. We have x by 3 plus 1 by 4 less than x by 6 plus 1 by 2. So first we will remove this denominator. For that we will take the LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 2. LCM of 3, 4, 6 and 2 is 12. So each term we will multiply with 12. It will become 12x by 3, 12 by 4 less than 12x by 6 and 12 by 2. Now cancel out 3 4 ja, 4 3 ja, 6 2 and 2 6. So we got here 4x plus 3 less than 2x plus 6. After this, now we can simplify it easily. This 2x shift this side, it will become minus 2x, and 3 shift another side, it will become minus 3. So 2x less than 3, or we can say x less than 3 by 2. X less than 3 by 2 means x is less than 1.5, and we have to take whole number. So solution set will be whole number less than 1.5. So the whole number start from 0, and we have to take 0 and 1 because only 0 and 1 is less than 1.5. Now this set we have to represent on number line also. So first draw line with the help of pencil and scale. Mark equal gap each centimeter. Both the side arrow. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and left side minus 1, minus 2. We have to represent only 0 and 1. So dark it. Next question number 11. Solve the following inequations and graph their solution on number line. So first part is minus 4 less than equal to 4x less than 14, and x belongs to natural number. So in this question you can see we have two inequation symbol. Two inequations are there. So one by one we will solve. First we will take for starting 2. And when you are taking starting 2, keep your x right side. We have minus 4 less than equal to 4x. So x we will shift right side, keep right side only. This 4 we will shift this side, so it will come for division. Minus 4 by 4. So we'll get minus 1 less than equal to x. Now remaining 2 we will take last 2. We will take these last 2. So we have 4x less than 14. Now here we will keep x left side. So we have x less than 14 by 4. 14 by 4 we can cancel out. 2 2 ja and 2 7 ja. X less than 3.5. Now both the inequation we can write together. So our solution is minus 1 less than equal to x, then start from here, less than 3.5. These two together we have to merge. Now solution set will be from natural number we have to take number from this limit. So x is greater than minus 1, greater than equal to minus 1 but less than 3.5. Greater than equal to minus 1 means we have to start from minus 1, 0 until 3. But minus 1 and 0 are not natural numbers, so we will not take 0 and minus 1. We will start from 1. 1, 2 and 3 is our solution here. If you get here minus, then please check this replacement set. If it will fulfill that condition, then only you have to take. Now for representation, first draw the line, mark equal on this line, both the side arrow you have to mark compulsory, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and represent only solution set here. So solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3. So only 1, 2 and 3 we have to dark. Next is second part of question number 11. Minus 1 less than x by 2 plus 1 less than equal to 3, and x belongs to here integers. So here also we have two inequation. We will solve one by one. First we will take these two. and then we will take last two. So when we will take first two, that time minus 1 less than x by 2 plus 1. We have to keep now x right side. So this plus 1, when you will shift this side, it will become minus 1. We'll get minus 2 less than x by 2. Now this 2 also we can shift here, it will come for multiplication. So minus 4 less than x. Now next 2 we will take. X by 2 plus 1 less than equal to 3. Now this plus 1, when we will shift another side, it will go for subtraction. 3 minus 1. X by 2 less than equal to 2. Now this 2 also we can shift, it will go for multiplication. So x less than equal to 4. Now both the in equation we have to merge together. So we have minus 4 less than x and start from x less than equal to 4. So solution set will be, we have to take integers because x belongs to I. Integer we have to take which are more than minus 3. More than minus 4 means from minus 3 we have to start and we have to go till 4. Now these integers we have to represent on number line. For that, draw line, mark all the points at equal distance. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and dark only which you have to represent. So minus 3 we have to represent, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is representation of this solution set. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.